How to turn off send message sound on WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the settings icon. Over here, scroll down and go to notifications. Scroll down to the end and tap on in-app notifications. Here, turn off the sound switch as shown. Using the same steps, you can enable or disable the feature according to your preference. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off send message sound on WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.